Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's dinner time and I want to prepare fish stir-fry spaghetti or pasta as we call it wherever you stay. So on the table you see my pasta. I have my vegetable oil, my spring onions, seasoning, chopped onions, chopped pepper, garlic, my light soy sauce, salt, and I'm using mackerel fish that is already washed, chopped into bits and seasoned with salt and some curry powder. Then I have my veg here. I have cabbage I'm using, my green pepper, and then my carrot. That's what I'll be using. So my hot water is boiling already. I'll just go now and put in the pasta so it can be boiling. And when you're boiling your pasta, allow it to be like 90% cooked before you bring it out, so the remaining part will cook when you are stir frying. So guys, join me as we do this cooking together. So guys, the pasta is cooking. Let me prepare the vegetable. You are going to cut it in a long shape, like so. This is how you are going to cut the carrots. I've already washed and scraped the back. You now take out the seed. So guys, I'm done with the pepper and the carrots. Now I have to cut the cabbage. But I've washed it initially, but I'll still wash it again before I use it. So you can see how I'm cutting it. This should be okay. So I'll take to the sink now and then wash it. So guys, let me start preparing the spaghetti now. So I'll add some vegetable oil in the pan because I want to stir fry the mackerel fish. It's hot now, so I'll just pour in everything and let it fry. The fish is well fried now. You can see it's golden brown, so I'll take them out. The fish just brought out so much oil for me. You know mackerel fish now, it's so oily, that's why I like it, and it has organic oil, good omega-3. In the same pan, I'll just add in some onions, chopped onions, garlic, I'm adding the carrots and the green pepper. Keep stir frying. Wow, the aroma in my kitchen is awesome. I want it to be a bit crunchy, so I won't allow it to stay long while stir frying. Then I'll add in some chopped pepper. As a Naija babe now, your food must be hot. So I'm adding some of that Scotch bonnet pepper. Then I'm adding in the cabbage. Now I'm adding my seasoning. This is my cube curry and all-purpose seasoning. Then I'll add salt to taste too. Then add your soy sauce. This is the light soy sauce I'm using, like 3 tablespoons. Then I'll bring back the fish. Then herein goes our already cooked pasta. So now you have to combine everything together, as in combine. Easy, so you don't pour your pan on the floor. So guys, if you like the face of this my fish stir fry spaghetti and you haven't liked my video, please just hit the like button now. Subscribe if you haven't, and if you've been following me, thank you so very much. Keep liking, keep sharing. So this is our fish stir fry spag. I want you to go and try it because I know you are going to be hooked on it. So guys, I will see you in my next video because I'm done here. Bye bye and thanks for watching.